Hello friends, welcome back to our online course on refrigeration and air conditioning. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss few of the definitions which goes as sensible heat factor, room sensible heat factor, grand sensible heat factor, effective room sensible heat factor. Now let us start with the sensible heat factor, or we can say it as a SHF. It is nothing but a ratio of sensible heat to the total heat, or I can write here sensible heat factor is equal to ratio of sensible heat to the total heat, and this total heat I have written like this. Yes, that sensible heat factor is equal to sensible heat to the latent heat plus sensible heat. Similarly, what is mean by room sensible heat factor? It is also designated by room sensible heat factor, RSHF. It is ratio of room sensible heat to the room total heat, or I can say at a room sensible heat to the room total heat, and this room total heat can be written as room sensible heat plus room latent heat. Similarly, let us define grand sensible heat factor, that is GSHF, grand sensible heat factor. It is ratio of total sensible heat to the grand total heat which the cooling coil is required to handle. Means I can write mathematically grand sensible heat factor is equal to total sensible heat to the total sensible heat plus total latent heat. This total sensible heat is equal to room sensible heat plus OASH. Now what is that OASH? OASH is nothing but outside air sensible heat load. Outside air sensible heat load, and total latent heat is equal to room latent heat plus OALH. Now what is that OALH? That is outside air latent heat load. Let us move towards the last definition, that is effective room sensible heat factor. It is also designated by ERSHF. It is nothing but ratio of effective room sensible heat to the effective room total heat. That mathematically we can write effective room sensible heat factor is equal to effective room sensible heat to the effective room sensible heat plus effective room latent heat.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.